Parshuram is hearing the story. Parshuram is asking Dattatreya Bhagavan, can you tell me one thing? I knew that Agastya Kumbhaja, Rishi Agastya, was always Vedic. And I thought that Lalita's worship is tantric. So how did this Vedic person got this tantric vidhi? What is the secret? Dattatreya says, "Oh, Parshuram, Agastya Muni's wife, Lopamudra, she is the one who blessed him with Ma Lalita's mantras. And when somebody says that Ved and Tantras are different, they are not wise. Because, and Agastya Muni Dattatreya Bhagavan went on saying, Vedas themselves have portions where Tantras are hidden. So when people read Ved and they think, oh, Tantra is different, Ved is different, Dattatreya Bhagavan says, no. Wherever in Ved, whenever you read the Vedas, wherever there are procedures given, and if you open Vedas, you will know. They talk about procedures. Vedas are also Puranas. They're the same thing, okay? So, Rig Veda, you go, you'll see procedures of worshipping Bhagavan. You see Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is full of worship of Bhagavan or Devi or anything else. You read Narayan Puran, Narad Puran, you read Brahma Vaivarta Puran. Whatever Devi Devatas, they will have worship given in there. How to worship. What are the mantras? So the mantras that we chant, the mantras that comes to us. Today also we started Ganesh Sadhana. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi. So we started Ganesh Sadhana and I gave the Sri Yantra to the people how to worship the Sri Yantra. In the Sri Yantra there is a mantra called Vakratundaya Hum. Our popular mantra is Om Ganganapate Namah. But the mantra that in the yantra was Vakratundaya Hum. So from where did the mantra came? Vakratundaya Hum. This comes in Narad Puran. So when the mantra comes Vakratundaya Hum, how to chant the mantra? So the procedure also, how to do the nyasa, everything is given. So wherever you open the Purana is part of Vedas. Whenever you open these Puranas or Sangitas, you will see mantras and their techniques and their procedures. All that is Tantra. So for your understanding, I'm saying this. But the same thing, Dattatreya Bhagavan is talking to Parshuram and he says, do not think that the Ved and Tantras are different. Tantras are hidden inside the Vedas. And this was done very nicely by Vyasadeva. This is what Dattatreya Bhagavan told to him. So he says, and then he goes on saying, Vedo ka jo param arth hai, वह तो Tripura ही है. Dattatreya Bhagavan says, whatever Ved is trying to say, the biggest essence is the Vedas are talking about Tripura. And Tripura ke sansadhan ko Ved kaha jata hai. If somebody has read the Vedas and the Puranas, they will understand the Tripura. And he goes on saying, अतः वेद के अर्थ का ही व्यसन व्यास जी ने पुराण के रूप में वर्णित किया है. And he says, Vyas ji wrote Vedas, but then he wrote Puranas. In that Puranas, Tantras are hidden and Agam is one part of it. And in those, there are many words written. And in those words, the Shakti that is flowing, who is that? That is Tripura. So he says, he went on adding saying, वे ही तंत्र हैं और तंत्र को ही वेद कहा जाता है. So there is no difference between Vedas and Tantras. जहां मंत्र यंत्र और पूजा विधान है, वेद का यही खंड सर्वश्रेष्ठ है. When you read Vedas and Puranas, wherever there are mantra, tantra and yantra and the procedures to worship, all that portion of Veda or Purana is Tantra.